Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful night sky scene using Paint 3D. So let's start the video. Select the fill tool, select a black color from the palette and click on the canvas to fill the background. This will serve as the base for our night sky. Create moonlight. Next, go to the 3D shape and select the circle shape. Hold down the Shift key while drawing a perfect circle. Now, choose a color, select the pixel pen from the brushes tab and set the size to small value. Then click randomly around the canvas to add glowing star. You can adjust the shape of the star by changing the size of the brush for some variety. Fill it with gray to look like a river and represent water. Now, let's add mountain to the scene. Now add trees and leaves to your landscape. And that's it. So look, you have created a beautiful sunset landscape in Paint 3D. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.